And today I'm gonna show you the next place, and that is the doctor's place. Okay, we're at the doctor. That's where all the babies come from. And now there's like other stuff, like if some gets hurt or something like that. And like if someone's ill, and there's even lipstick. But only for ill people. So I'm gonna show you more, and I'm not gonna be talking. Okay, bye.